Welcome to the Pneumatic Mast Installation Guide. Begin by selecting firm and level ground, free from overhead power lines and obstacles. Place the base plate assembly with the tilting cup at the desired installation location. Ensure the base plate sits flat and remains stable before proceeding. Using the 6mm T Allen key, loosen the side locking screw on the tilting cup. This creates enough clearance for inserting the mast into the base socket. Insert the ground nails through the 4 mounting holes of the base plate. Using the 3kg hammer, drive each nail firmly into the ground. Make sure the base plate does not move or shift after installation. Hold the telescopic mast using the lifting handle. Carefully lift the mast while maintaining proper balance. Slowly lower the mast into the tilting cup socket. Ensure the mast is fully seated at the bottom of the base before tightening. Tighten the side locking screw securely using the T Allen key. Verify that the mast stands upright without any movement. Place the spirit level against the lower mast section. Check that the mast is perfectly vertical before installing the support ropes. Position the foot pump near the mast. Ensure the air hose is clean and ready for connection. Apply Teflon tape to the air nozzle threads. Install the air inlet and outlet nozzles securely into the mast. Tighten them firmly to prevent air leakage. Connect the foot pump hose to the air inlet nozzle. Push the quick connect fitting until it locks into position. Attach the stainless steel bottom guy wires to the lower collar of the mast. These wires provide initial stability during mast erection. Attach the yellow guy ropes to the middle collar. Spread the ropes evenly around the mast at approximately 120 degrees. Attach the red guy ropes to the top collar. Ensure every rope is connected to its correct collar position. Drive the ground pegs into firm soil at equal spacing around the mast. Secure each guy rope to its respective ground anchor. Keep light tension on the ropes while preparing to raise the mast.
Operate the foot pump using smooth and steady strokes. The telescopic mast sections will gradually extend as air pressure increases. As the mast rises, continuously monitor all 3 levels of guy wires. Adjust the bottom stainless steel, middle yellow and top red guy ropes evenly. Maintain proper tension to keep the mast perfectly vertical throughout the lifting process. Once the mast reaches the required operating height, stop pumping. Perform a final inspection of the spirit level, guy ropes, locking screw, air connections and base plate.
Lowering procedure. Begin by slightly loosening the locking collars on all mast sections. Slowly open the air release valve by turning it counterclockwise. Allow the compressed air to escape gradually for a smooth and controlled descent. As the mast retracts, guide each telescopic section carefully while maintaining light tension on the guy ropes. Prevent sudden movement during lowering.